Thanks for this opportunity. I've known Heather about a week now, and I've not read the book, but there's an honesty that most of the world is afraid to tell the truth, and so consequently, I've spent enough time with her, and I was just talking to somebody today as you were talking. The ability to be transparent and truthful and reliable. There's a lot of people out there today who you couldn't trust as far, and I'm not making a judgment, it's just the world is full of them. And consequently, I think the fact that you bring religion and the health side is so very unusual to put this together, and this was a good group to do that. But you know, I was talking to somebody this morning here, two different people, and I'm not sure God's a part of their life, even though they're in this kind of a situation, because you know, we're all, actually my boss is here. And so consequently, by having God in your life, it makes you, if you have the desire, which He gives you to be, don't say things that you can't deliver, okay? And everybody is somewhat insecure, and they think they're being honest with you, but if you talk to them tomorrow, they don't have a clue who you are. So, you know, taglines and things like that, I realize are important, but consequently, I think that trust and belief in talking the truth is really what it's all about.